Hi everyone, welcome back to another video of mine. Yes, makeup repeater, outfit repeater. It is day one of the lockdown actually. So I didn't really expect for all of these things to happen in a short period of time, but I'm glad that action is being taken already just to prevent and kill this virus, this disease. Hoping and praying for the safety of everyone. And my project for this day one is actually fix this corner right over here. That's what I'm gonna do. I'm also going to clean that up, and don't worry because we are back on track. Like, what else is my excuse? But of course we're gonna be studying online too, so that's still going to depend. But hang out with me. We're gonna clean my room together, the babe cave, and that is something that I was like supposed to fix last time. But I'm proud to say that my other closet, I was able to fix that. So let's get started. This is the before of my room. I'm gonna give you guys like, okay, I know what you're gonna say. Ew, what's that? Ew, what's that? Ew, what's that? Calm down. Calm down. Just goes to show that I'm not perfect. Obviously I'm not, but like I am gonna fix that. These are actually clothes that I haven't worn yet. They are new, got them on sale, and so many things that I have to work on. I still have John Ray's Valentine's gifts over there and some products. I know, like, why is this happening? Okay, we're gonna keep this like super organized. Oh girl, my legs. My shorts are like really short. Okay, so anyway, we're gonna clean this all up, figure it all out, and throw the things that we don't really need and give it away. So let me turn this off first because I just finished filming. I'm gonna spill this, watch. Okay, yay, success. Okay. All right, guys, so before I even, do something in my babe cave, I just wanted to show you guys the hangers that I have purchased before the chaos. And I purchased this I believe that was like last week. There was already like a coronavirus outbreak, however it wasn't really as intense as. So this past few days, it's been really crazy, and I'm just so glad that I was able to go out and get everything that I can before this whole thing happened, because I really don't want to go out just in case we don't have any classes. I still have some classes, and I don't know what's the workaround on that, but these are some of the hangers that I bought. It is from Burlington, and this is $4.99. These are the velvet ones, and it comes in 12 pieces. And we all know that the reason why they are expensive is because they are colored compared to like the ones that are just like plastic. And I actually wanted to be just practical and get the plastic ones. However, John Ray said, like, you know what, in the future, if you're going to have your walk-in closet, I wanted it to look really nice. And I think that was like the sweetest thing, because he knows that I wanted to have like, like a big walk-in closet. Though, yeah, so this is that. I have 24 pieces of that. I actually wanted the pink one, but the pink ones, they really look dirty, so I ended up purchasing these ones. I'm not mad at it. I love the gold handle, and I really love this soft purple. And if you can hear Princess in the background, I assure you that she is not being, she just wants attention. That's how she is. Like, she tries to get what she wants on the dot at the time. Like, even if you're doing something, she just wants attention most of the time. So no, she's not being abused. Okay, so this one is 25 pieces, and let me see, this one is I believe this is $9.99, something like that. Where's the price? Okay, there we go, $9.99. So I'm gonna use this one to hang my clothes. And you're probably wondering, like, ew, you're on the floor. We do not use shoes in our carpet as much as possible. We try to be clean as much as we can. And I just like what do you call that? I just cleaned the carpet. I vacuumed. There we go. So off to the room. Or you know what? I'm just gonna bring the clothes here and like hang. Guys, we are about to eat this 2
You have a
$2 Oriental noodle soup.
Fix this. You're
bending
the cord.
The cord. John Ray's getting mad because I'm destroying his charger.
Yeah, my charger on top of that.
So, I don't even know if this is good. Hopefully it is. Guys, I just noticed that when it comes to this noodles, it definitely has a lot of corn. And the corn on this noodle pack is definitely realistic. But the taste of the soup and the noodles, it's not extraordinary. Oh my gosh. No. Alright guys, so these are the clean laundry. It's exhausting. I'm going to fold them, organize them, store them away. And I think I need, you know, a lot of baskets for like the white and colored. If you guys have any idea how to make white clothes, like super white, please do let me know. So this is the progress right now, and it's insane. Obviously, even if, you know, just 2 people around here, but this happens. So some of these are just going to be folded and some are going to be in a hanger. So these are the dirty clothes. The first batch of colored dirty clothes are already there in the washer. And then after that, I'm going to pop it here to dry. So we have 3 more batches to go. And after that, most likely I can relax. Alright guys, so our room is finally clean. And that's just how it really looks. It's kind of messy and I like it like that. Floor is clean too, vacuumed and airing out. My babe cave is also clean. And I didn't remove the setup because we're gonna be filming. Alright guys, so this is what my room looks like now. I'm so satisfied on how this cleaning project turned out. So I'm thinking of painting my nails next. Maybe I'll just paint my nails tomorrow, and in the meantime, I'll enjoy the rest of my day with my doggies. So this is Pebbles. She was tiny for a very short period of time. She's a German Shepherd mix. That's Princess, and this is Sparky. So I'll see you guys on the next video. Have a good day. Stay safe. Bye.